Let's learn how to make sweet potato flatbreads. These beautiful golden colored flatbreads are not only delicious but they are also packed with nutrients. Sweet potatoes are full of vitamins, fibers and antioxidants, making them a perfect choice for a healthy diet. What I love about these flatbreads is their unique flavor and bright color. They are perfect for wraps, sandwiches, or just enjoyed with dips and curries. Plus, they are super easy to make at home and you only need a few simple ingredients. So let's get started. First, we need to steam our sweet potato. Cut it into chunks. And add water to a pot. Place a steamer basket on top. Put the sweet potato chunks in the basket. Cover it and steam it for about 7 to 8 minutes or until they are nice and tender. Alternatively, you can boil the sweet potato in a pan. When they are done, carefully take them out. Peel off the skin. And mash them until smooth. If you want it extra smooth, feel free to use a food processor. Now we are going to make the dough. Measure out 1 cup of sweet potato mash and place it in a mixing bowl. Next, add whole wheat flour and mix it well with a fork. Add half a cup of flour and a bit of salt to taste and then knead the mixture into a smooth dough. If it feels sticky, just add more flour a little at a time until it's just right. Once you have a soft dough, add a few drops of olive oil or ghee and knead it again. After that, cover the dough with a towel and let it rest for 15 minutes. After our dough has rested, give it another quick knead. Now, divide the dough into 8 to 9 balls, each about the size of a lemon. Coat each ball with a little dry flour. Then using a rolling pin, roll each ball into a flat circle about 6-7 inches wide, just like making tortillas. While you are rolling the flatbreads, make sure to keep the balls and rolled flatbreads covered with a towel so they don't dry out. If the dough sticks while rolling, sprinkle on some extra flour. Now it's time to cook our flatbreads. Heat a skillet over medium heat. Once it's nice and hot, place a flatbread on it and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until you see bubbles starting to form. When bubbles appear, flip and cook for a few more seconds until you see some brown spots. If you have a gas stove, you can use tongs to place the flatbread directly on the flame. If you're using an electric stove like mine, make sure to use a roti stand like this. Hold the flatbread with tongs and place it on the stand. Once it's cooked and puffed like a balloon, flip it and let it cook on other side. Repeat until all the flatbreads are cooked. To cook on a skillet, place a rolled out flatbread in a pan and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes until you see bubbles forming. Flip the flatbread and cook the other side until golden. Your sweet potato flatbreads are ready. Brush the warm flatbreads with olive oil or ghee. Enjoy them warm with your favorite dips or curries or use them for making wraps. They make a great addition to any meal. Thanks for watching. If you try this easy flatbread recipe, I would love to hear how it turned out in the comments below. Please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes. It would be a big help. See you next time.